Saw beauty in the selflessness of giving. I heard sorrow in the songs of 1,000 merchantmen, singing just to fill their emptiness. I knew wisdom was the choice of the moment, there for you to be now and not just to become. I put myself down just by looking up. I felt love from the caring of a woman. I felt the loss of a fallen child underneath the sun. On the day I woke and saw a songless one. I gave all I could with my heart open. Without the fear of pain, it may find its way in. And if it did, I'd do the same all again. I witnessed flow of poetry in the ocean. It fed along to my eyes, met the lining of the sky. Fulfilled enough to never question why. And I showed myself upon my own reflection of a world I'm creating that's affecting everyone. On the day I woke and I saw a songless one. And you yourself, you sang to me these lyrics as if they were written to the beating of my heart. If you can feel its pulse, it's not the way to start. But it's not my place for me to offer lessons or give advice to those who have their own minds, but to share with you the simple things I find. Oh, but still you held this message in your eyes. In a promise to myself I would express it, not knowing if I'm capable or if I would respond. On the day I woke and I saw a songless one. On the day I woke and I saw a songless one. On the day I woke and I saw a songless one. On the day I woke and I saw a songless one.
and a hell of a day. We almost got sink in the sea. It was horrible. At one point the wind was 44 knots. Everything was really awful, but I'm glad that we are not at the land. Always be careful, especially in the sea. Always check in with the weather, the wind. So I will see you at another video. Bye.